What's going on, everyone? Alnefready here with another video, wanting to do a quick unboxing and thoughts on this device, the Zephyrus G15. So what I have on screen is I'm surprised they don't have the model anymore selling at Best Buy, but I wanted to give my thoughts on why I picked it up, and then to just do this unboxing for you. So if you guys go to laptop gaming on Reddit, you guys can see a lot of people just talking about their thoughts on this upcoming cycle of reviews and laptops, and the RTX 3 series. This particular version has the 1990. I thought that this was priced differently. Actually, seeing this price right now, I'm doing this YouTube review. I probably would have got this 119 because mine was 1799, as you saw from the order. And then taxes made it come out to 2000. So quite confused actually what this model is. This is basically the same model I have, except it has better specs. Might actually return it and see if I can get this one, or just keep this device. So this is the 370 model that I used to be able to pick up at Best Buy, or I did pick up at Best Buy. For those of you watching today at 318, you're unable to pick it up. But I wanted to do that review, kind of why I got this as I unbox it for you guys. Right now I kind of have like this kind of weird setup. I know that overhead camera isn't perfect. Sorry, amateur YouTuber, but I really appreciate you guys watching this video and the support, and let's just get right into kind of the video, and I'm just going to be talking about it. So right off the box, I like the type of box it came in, very sleek. I don't know if people keep boxes or not, but it just has that little feel of like, hey, this is kind of a premium device. So the ROG series is the gaming ones that they do. I actually don't even have, and so there's a little tape here. I need to get off. Not prepared to do unboxings. This is my first unboxing, family. Please. Oh, please spare me the dislikes as I figure out how to open this. Okay, there we go. There we go. So I don't know if I could get this in the overhead cam, but maybe if I flip it this way, you guys can see. So it's gonna be upside down. It comes in this nice little setting here, wrapped. So I actually had this for a while now. I haven't even opened it. So I didn't realize if I do this unboxing, it might not have a battery. Hope it comes charged. Literally gonna try to do some quick tweaks to my overhead cam while I'm filming. Sorry about this, fam. If you guys know in YouTube how to make a better overhead camera, I'm open for suggestions. But yeah, let's keep going. So one of the reasons I got this is because from my desktop, I'm going to be doing some remote traveling. And I like so from previous videos, you guys saw that I had the M1 MacBook that I returned. I had the wobble issues, and when I was actually testing it, I was thinking of what's the device that I could be using going long term to make content. And unfortunately, on the Mac OS system, they are limited by their software to actually produce some of the things I need. So some of that being here, if you guys look at my desktop, I'm going to have the same settings. I have my microphone on this, and then I use several different channels to record different settings of my voice output. So this helps with my podcast, this helps with my content creation, helps with my streams. So that's why I'm going with this Windows device. And with the AMD 9, which is the latest series, you actually get comparable battery life, similar to, better than Intel, somewhere along the lines of maybe 14, 16 hours. So, this particular version only has one review, but the one I had it's just not listed anymore. So it's unfortunate timing for me making this video as they delisted it. I'll make an update video and a full review on benches and specs and stuff like that. I just wanted to kind of do this little unboxing for you guys. Whoa, so a really cool thing, you probably see in the top camera, and if I put this back camera, hopefully there's some lighting. You can't really see it in the back, this A600 camera, but you see this top camera, it has this nice shine, this gleam to it. Definitely cool. In terms of the lightness, definitely something I could see taking to work. I don't know if you guys like using personal computers for work or like having that power. That's something I prefer. But of course, we're in these remote setting times. So, of course, this is the quad 15-inch 165 hertz display. So I want to take a look at this new offering, which is currently listed on Best Buy, is the quad. Doesn't mention of the frame hertz here. So that could be something you want to look into, is why this version is 1990. There's actually another version here. There's a 3080. This is the one I clicked here. There's this one that's also 3080. This one's a little bit $500 more expensive. So this particular version was the 1799 version I got, and this one has the 144 hertz. I prefer the 144 hertz. What I'm using right now on the screen for my desktop is that version as well. I particularly can tell the difference of frame rate. So let's just get more into the unboxing. So just I'm going to do a quick little plug. If you guys are wondering how I make some of this content, I have a Discord channel and I have a Facebook group. So right now when I'm recording, if I can show on the screen, I have a multicam and it's going to look weird, but it's basically boom, 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 boom. I'm recording my screen. I have my two cameras outputted, and then I just cut this in DaVinci Resolve. So I want to help people make content. You know, if you want to be a tech reviewer like me, or you know, I've done a lot of stuff. Quick plug to that. You can get the link in the bottom of this video. So thanks for supporting the channel as I kind of scale and grow this marketing arm of my business. So hopefully this turns on, but I just want to give some thoughts. I like the plastic. It seems kind of metal, sleek. You know, I've watched other people's YouTube reviews before picking this up. So the previous generation, they actually had some air vent gates that they had changed in this version. They had removed some of the blockages. So turn on. No. All right, I'm gonna get the charging cable. See if I can get this. In this, in case you guys are wondering, this is a one-take cut. I prefer making content like this, just stream of consciousness. So some of the warranty info coming in here. Watching, I've done this video. Worst case scenario, fam. And I'm looking to get. Okay, so what I'm looking to get is let me close this. The charging cable and the lids. Worst case scenario, guys, watch me have not tested this unboxing and just got a dud. Then I have to return it to Best Buy. I think I'm in the return warranty. Hopefully I am. I should probably check that. I should probably have turned this on and recorded this video before I run out of that return window. But yeah, even if I have to return it, I would still get this device, though I may look into this 380 version. I'm super confused as to why this one's priced at just $200 more. Has to be that it doesn't have the 144 hertz and maybe just might be a quad display. If anyone knows in the comments, let me know. I'm gonna actually just literally plug this in. Probably should have had this prepped, but this is an unboxing and quick thoughts video. So welcome to my channel, guys. So yeah, more reasons why I got this. So the AMD 9, this type of processor, the latest version, has really good power control that I've seen benchmarked and better than you know, Intel's latest offerings. And you can see stuff in low power mode. If you guys know how to do power stats and all that stuff, you could probably get 10 hours, even though it has a dedicated graphics card. So you'll be able to play, you know, Modern Warfare, Fortnite, Dota 2, League of Legends, Teamfight Tactics, all the games that I play that I want to play at full spec. This is the reason I got this this device. So yeah, let me see if I can turn it on real quick and then we'll get started. Gosh, the power brick is actually pretty heavy. I'm gonna cut it from the camera. Whoa, watch out, guys. All right, so plug-in goes here on the left. I'm plugging it in. Just wanted to do a quick, see if I could get it turned on. Okay, and yeah, so it also comes with our LED lights. Jazz. Let me get lined up with the overhead camera. Oh, these cameras aren't synced. Oh, some sick graphics there. And it's booting up for the first time. So I'm gonna probably end this video here. Let it do its loading. I'll be doing a full review, full content. And yeah, for those of you in this channel, be sure to check out the links below. Appreciate you guys watching kind of this quick unboxing. Let me know the types of laptops you want me reviewing. I'm also open to just looking at cameras. I do this on the Discord, people.
I'm Katana.
Katana.
Shh. A little sign in here, a touch of Wi-Fi bit.
All right, let's mute this. Let's mute this person, please. Interrupted my YouTube, please. So people have been sending me links, DMs. If you want to hop on Discord, you're thinking about getting a laptop, I'd love to just look at your thoughts, get you some stuff. So I do some tech review for my family, and it kind of expanded to doing tech review for other people. And then in my day job, I do data strategy. So I don't do full hardware implementations for businesses, but I have seen a lot of rollouts and implementations. I'd love to just help you guys, decide on the gaming laptop, the content creator laptop you want. So be sure to check out the Discord below. Appreciate you guys joining. Let me see if I get this overhead camera. Thanks, guys. And yeah, quick look. I'll do a full review of the next video. Take care. Peace.